Hola! Wait, we should like... Oh my god, that's so cool, recording at the same time. Hey, man! The pressure.
Alright, Sabrina, I'm going through your messages.
You can't. I'm on YouTube. Just say what you remember, and my hands are shaking, so... What do you remember?
I remember one of the messages saying that your vagina looks like brown shit blocks. And then
I believe it looked like puke, and the texture was disgusting. The other one was brown maple sugar, so... Word, bitch.
bitch, don't get me started.
Let's go. Have you ever stepped on a Lego?
Stupid.
Hi, Lauren. Hi. What up, nigga? What up, my nigga?
Don't say that. Dude, we're on YouTube.
I know. Can I just make the face this entire time? Does it look like I'm talking? I don't feel like holding my phone straight. What the? I've got a bed.